Hey everybody, welcome back to Christ and Crafts, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own pipe cleaner lion, also known as Mufasa from the new movie coming out. So let's get into the video. For this craft, I would rate this at about a medium scale in difficulty, and today you're going to be using some orange, we're going to be using yellow and white and black for the eyes. So let's get into it. First, you're going to start with the body. We're going to start with our normal X. I sped this up so that you guys wouldn't have to watch through the entire thing. And then we're going to start bending out the hind legs so that we can get that nice back leg shape for it. And you're going to repeat this step for both the left and the right back leg. Now we're going to add in a little bit of fill-in for the hind legs so that they look a little bit thicker. There we go. And then we're going to start working on the tail. This one's pretty easy. It's just a 2-strand, and then you attach it to the back. Make sure to give it that little curve so it looks like real tail. Now we're going to start with the front legs. You're just going to bend it into a 2-piece strand, and then you're going to wrap it up on the top part of the leg so that it's not just hanging out or have extra or look uneven. And then make sure to also fold in the feet so that you have a nice little pause for it. Now you're going to take another extra strand, and we're just going to fill in the legs so that they have that nice thickness to it. Now it's time to add some weight and some density to the body. I find it's easiest to just mash up a couple pipe cleaners into a shape and then add it straight in there. Now it's time to work on the head. You're just going to make a little circle. Then you're going to take a pipe cleaner, mash it together into a ball, which is pretty easy. And then you're just going to put it straight into the circle, which is right here. And then just wrap it together until it's solid. And then we're going to start working on the ear shape. It's just like 2 little triangles. You wrap it together, fill it in, and then you're just going to attach that straight to the head. Make sure to shape it so it looks like a lion shape. And then you're just going to connect it from the bottom and then wrap it together until it stays on the head. Wrap it through the body and then up at the end. Now we're going to take another pipe cleaner and we're just going to add some thickness to the neck here. We're going to add a little bit extra because it's still a little bit wobbly. And the neck is all set. Now for this step, it's pretty easy. We're just gonna add some orange to the mane and we're just gonna wrap all the way down the neck until it's completely filled. You're gonna wanna use about 2 to 3 for pipe cleaners for this step. Whatever is good for you. And then also don't forget to add some around the ears and close to the forehead so that has some extra texture to it. Then we're also going to add some to the chest area. Make sure that you don't just wrap it around the leg so it doesn't have that messy look. And we're going to add just a little bit more to the legs so that they have that nice sturdy look, more of a muscular look like a real lion. And look at that, it's coming together. Now we're going to add 2 circles to the front of the face so that it has that nice little muzzle look that a lion has. You're going to just straight attach it, and then I added a little bit of a bottom so that it has a mouth as well. Now it's time to make the eyes. We're just going to make a little white loop around, tie it, and then we're going to make a little black strand. You're going to thread it through and then press it down so that has that flat look. We're going to set that aside. We're going to repeat this step a second time so that he has 2 eyes. Because what lion has 1 eye? Unless it was injured in battle. And then you're just going to thread it through the face here, which is pretty easy. It just should have some space left in it so that you can thread it in. And then we're gonna take the second eye. I'll actually show you guys me threading it through so that you understand it. And then you're just gonna tug it through the bottom. And there you go. Now to make sure it doesn't look too distorted, we're gonna add another step of yellow here around the face so that it has that nice full look. You're just gonna press it down, what I like to call molding. It's just a pretty easy step where you just press down any loose stuff. And then I also added some teeth here. It's a pretty easy step. You just make the 2 prongs and then just attach it in, thread it in, just like the eyes.
So then, why?
We're just gonna clean it up a little bit, press any weird wonky pieces down, and there you go. Now for a final touch, we're gonna add a little tip to the tail, just like that. It's just a simple piece, and there you guys go. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.